In this video, we will consider how to customize the D2L ePortfolio page for your specific portfolios. For this purpose, I will be using my home page as an example. When I open my home page, as you can see, this is the theme that I have chosen. So I have this section which is my banner. I have these headings, which are also called titles, and then I have the files included with them. Now, all these different elements within this page can be customized according to your preference. So, how do we do that? I'm going to give you a few tips on the different things that you can do. So, let's say that I would like to change the color of my banner here, maybe, and these subheadings. How do we go about doing that? Okay, so I'm going to close this particular window. When you have created your home page, you will be on this screen. Click on the arrow and select Edit. When you come to this page, we are looking at customizing the theme of your portfolio. Hence, go to the Theme tab. This is the theme that I have selected. There are other themes below which you can choose, and it depends on your preference. Once you have chosen your theme and applied it, you will have this little icon over here. And when I hover over it, it says Edit Styles, and this is what we want to do. So select that. And I am now in the section to edit my styles. You have all the different elements of your ePortfolio page that you can customize. So choose which ones you want to customize and you can play around with this. This is the header image. At this point in time, there is no background image. The banner image was that sand look that I had. You can change this if you want. This was my banner title. The one in blue, I had it in blue. It's in Georgia 22 point, and this one was my name. I can change this now to a red, and I'm going to make this maybe really tiny so that you can see the difference in it. So I'm going to make it a 10 point in red color. And it says that there is a border in black, and you can choose where you want the border to go. I've made these changes to my banner title. To give you an idea of how this works, I'm going to save these changes. Go back to, and I'm going to view the page now. And if you can see, my banner title is now in red, and it's become really tiny because that's what I did to it. Once again, if you want to make changes to that, go back to editing it. Banner title, I'm reverting it to what it was. I think I like this color now. And if we view this, there it is now. Another option that you can do is you might want to change how this particular title looks. Okay, so what we do is we go back to editing the styles, and if you want to know what aspect of the page you're editing, just look at this little picture over here. So page name is this blue section over there. If you look at titles, these are the little subheadings over there. So I wanted to change the resume, which is basically the titles. Click on titles, and this is what my text currently looks like. Now I can change this to blue, so it's going to be blue there, and maybe I want to make it courier. Okay, I'm going to change the size to 20. It is now currently bold, and I'm going to italicize it. The alignment, changing it to the center. Now there is a border I have chosen to give my subheading. You can remove all borders. You can have a border on top, and you can choose how your border is going to look. I think I will try the ridge now. I'll have a thick ridge, and my border color is going to be that one. And let's view this. And that's what happened. Now, what happened over here is, yes, it changed the font, and I chose a top border. So the border has now moved to the top. And that's how it looks. One more change, the description section. That's how my text currently looks. Again, you can change it to whatever you want it to be. And we will look at how the text now looks. So this is the color I chose. I decided to center it, and this is what has happened. So customizing your page depends on customizing your theme and the different elements within your theme. The best way to decide how you want it to look is to play around with it.